Illinois? About number 5, Illinois, you got Ratchet. You got Ratchet 18, right back on the west side, I'm leaving.
And I hope you had a good Christmas, too.
I did indeed. Good times all the way around, that's for sure.
Hey, I heard my friend Bob.
Hey, how's the beast coming along?
Why?
Oh, I took a week off. You know, I had company come down, so I didn't do anything on the antenna at all. So yesterday, however, I built a little 3-element beam. I may or may not have finished it today and stick it up on the tower, get it all tuned up, see how it does. It's just a temporary thing. I wanted to get something back on the flat side. So we got a little 3-element that we made big.
Hey, Bo, your friend, 611, waving. Hell, yeah. You wouldn't be here. We would
That was the same coax for the other antenna. Yeah, we'll just temporarily stick it up there and see how it does. But I don't know. I don't have too high hopes, but it is a folded dipole 3-element.
almost 913 down the mail on
I got here this morning taking it easy on this cold morning around Spokane, 8 barbed wire. But before I go, I want to hear it. I want to hear the wire, the wire.
Motormouth and Blue Tan, I'm not sure when that was. 601, was that you that bring? I heard 122 out there around the state of Maine. 122 around the state of Maine, Motormouth, Maul around the state of
That's my favorite one out there, DX land, man. Nobody does it better than the wire, the barbed wire over there in the KY. All right, my friend. I'm going to get one more wave in over there in the Carolinas, and then I'm going to get on out of here for a while. And,
morning time to you, 8:30, 817 on the big one.
quick, so I get on out of here. 8:49. I got you up to
582 ground plane and saying, no, I got down.
That's somebody? Wow. Woo-wee.
All right, 649, I got you over there from Camp Lejeune. I tell you what, man, my dad was served in the Army, and he had a couple of brothers in the military. Hey, man, I got a lot of respect for you guys. If I do it, my friend. Hey, 649, you take it easy, take care, and have a good rest of the weekend, prosperous 2015. This is 611, I'm going 10-7, man. 611, I'm going gun.
Neighbor? Oh, no, I'm just right here on the computer.
Go tell that guy, say hello, huh? The Latino lover.
Good for it. Hey, Banjo, that monkey.
You should have heard us out there that one day, Motormouth Mall. I was Latino lover, come on.
Oh, is that what you're going by now? All right.
No, that's 315 was talking to, so we can, you have to be there to get the laugh out of it.
Roger.
You got conditions, it just ain't going the way you want it to go. Push harder, push harder.
Hey, what's going on today there, 315? Work out some doors on not the other things, but it's just too cold out there in the morning.
Station 420. I know it. It's just being mean, she's
Oh, I think I heard somebody in Indiana trying to say hello out here on the west side, and say hello right back there to you, Brick. Good morning and Happy New Year.
Hey, Birdman, old string bean diesel around your TJ Porter with the morning wave.
Tell Troublemaker I said hello and good morning, too. I got down. Good morning, 601 around Illinois. Motormouth Maul stepping.
I got it. Look at it stroking and it's squirting duck. But 601, but he's got some audio on Motormouth.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's got some audio out there. That's for doggone sure. And I can see if I can get close. I can bump it a little bit more here, too, for you. In case you need just a little bit more. Motormouth Maul, Central Coast to Cali. Got down.
Back on the west side, I'm waving.
I don't need it, but they probably did.
Well, oh, right around the Bighorn. Big old good evening, or good evening, good, well, yeah, good afternoon wave to you out there on the Bighorn. The radio station Motormouth Maul also wishing you a happy new year, too. I got down. 14. Appreciate the quick bump down and the get back out here on the Central Coast to Cali. Radio station Motormouth Maul, back quiet.
1, 2, 3, 4, and you got sound and style, no doubt. And I got a room.
Hello out there, DX. Hello out there, DX Land.
And more trouble. 619, San Diego Troublemaker, getting on up.
Oh, Motormouth Maul. And I heard that smoking feed in there, too. Catch you later, old copperhead.
Yeah, hey, 10-4, I got a copy on that text.
That's who that was. 15 wave to you as well. Appreciate you bumping it down out here in the world of sound. 243 around northern Indiana, radio station Motormouth Maul. The West Coast Beast. Waving.
Maryland, San Diego Troublemaker, waving too. Trouble, and more trouble. San Diego 619 Ratchet Yellow Radio, Troublemaker on the West Coast. Getting on up.
If you had a copy on me,